How to Start a Small Farm. Complete Beginner's Guide 2026. Have you ever dreamed of starting your own farm? What if I told you that you don't need thousands of dollars or a huge piece of land to begin? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to start a small farm, even if you're a complete beginner. Let's get started. What is a small farm? A small farm is a piece of land where people grow crops, raise animals, or do both. It can be as small as a backyard or as large as several acres. Many people start small farms to produce fresh food, earn extra income, or become more self-sufficient. Starting small allows you to learn without taking big financial risks. Step 1. Choose your goal. Before spending any money, decide why you want to farm. Do you want fresh food for your family? Do you want to sell eggs? Do you want to raise chickens? Do you want to grow vegetables? Or do you want to build a farming business? Your goal will help you make better decisions later. Step 2. Choose the right location. The location of your farm is very important. Choose a place with clean water, good sunlight, fresh air, easy road access, safe environment. Even a small piece of land can become a successful farm if it is managed well. Step 3. Decide what to farm. There are many types of farming. You can start with poultry farming, vegetable farming, dairy farming, goat farming, fish farming. Many beginners choose poultry farming because it requires less space and can generate income quickly. Step 4. Plan your budget. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is spending money without a plan. Create a simple budget. Think about land building equipment, animals, or seeds. Feed, water, electricity. Emergency costs. Starting small is always better than starting too big. Step 5. Build before you buy. Never buy animals before your farm is ready. Prepare. Shelter feeders. Water system, ventilation, lighting, security. A clean and comfortable farm keeps animals healthy and reduces disease. Starting a small farm is easier than many people think. Start with a clear goal. Choose the right location. Plan your budget. Build your farm carefully. Then buy healthy animals or quality seeds. Every successful farmer started with one small step. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell.